Today we'll be working on a bulkhead for the water supply line in this vent line here. So I framed those up and lasered them and stuff, what was it, Wednesday, but we'll work on getting the rest of it framed out. Oh, you bitch. I think that fucking... Is that a GFCI?
No.
That whole breaker must have tripped. That's gay. So those are all GFCI breakers.
Is it GFCI breaker?
It's an AFCI GFCI breaker. Them things I guess are almost $100 a pop.
Oh no, yeah, it's code now.
Since you're down there, Kyle, can you do me a favor?
Yeah. What do you need?
Cut this for me.
Two hair.
Yeah, I have it marked. I'm hoping the idea of my design of this is working.
You'll find out eventually.
Well, I'm putting this heavy stuff on the bottom because Cody essentially, when he was talking about this bulkhead, was talking about if people wanted to hang pots and pans off of it and stuff like that. So I'm putting this big blocking in here so people are able to do that. We're on this other side. I actually have to build a soffit or bulkhead, whatever you want to call it, to cover these wires. That's what the inspector wanted. And then I'm also going to widen this door from a 24-inch to at least a 28. Little update. We are moving the door that was here. I meant to record yesterday and just completely forgot, or Monday. But we are going from a 24-inch door, or whatever it was. It was like a 23-inch opening, so I don't know what was going on. But we are going to make it a 28-inch door. So I'll be framing this out. Then we're moving it to the left side as much as possible. Just think it'd be more feasible for the mechanical stuff to go in. It'd look a lot better. Just swept all this and there's still crud everywhere. Look how far off that is, man. That's crazy. Oh, I hate crappy work, man. Just gonna have to make it do unless I tear all that out, and I don't know.
He don't even know what to call home. New night, different hotel, made a dream so real, gotta let it live on. Gotta grind, gotta work, gotta fight till it hurt. Keep your dreams big and your hopes high and live your life for what it's worth. It all started with a vision.